How to fix and solve not loading on Haku app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve not loading on Haku app. If the Haku app isn't loaded, the most common issue includes checking your internet connection, restarting your app, or updating the app to the latest version. So first of all, you could go ahead and check for an internet connection. So go to your settings and check whether you're connected to an internet or not. After you open up the settings, check network, and here you should be able to see the devices or the internet connection you're connected to. You could also try restarting your router. That could be able to fix the issue as well. If that does not seem to be working out, you could also try checking for an update. So head over to your respective app store or Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Hacoo Saramat. After you locate Hacoo, if you see update, click the update button, and after that you could go ahead and check whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you could also try cleaning your cache and data. So for that, you want to go to the settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to go to apps and notification, and then you want to click on see all apps. Once you do it so, you want to scroll down a bit or locate the Hacoo Saramat app. Once you locate it so, this is how it's going to look like. So go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well as data. That can be an essential way to fix the issue as well. And in some cases it might be the server issue, so you could go ahead and check for the server status on the website. So open up a browser and type in Hacoo server status. Once you type in that, you could go ahead and see the information regarding the server as well. So these are some of the ways to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try using the APK version. So for that, you just have to open up a browser and type in APK Hacoo, and once you do it so, you want to scroll down and you could find this apkpure.com, and from here you could go ahead and download the Hacoo Saramat app. So these way you'll be able to fix and solve not loading on Hacoo app. Similarly, if nothing seems to be working out after trying all of these, you could go ahead and contact the customer service. They will be able to help you out in order to fix your issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.